Here it is, the Meet the Letters Lift the Flap book. It has the letter A, B, and C on the cover, and it says over 50 large flaps for little hands. The flaps in this book are the sturdiest flaps we have seen. I don't know if you've seen Lift the Flap books where you can simply tear the flap out of the book because it's been glued to the page. That is not the case with this book. With this book, these flaps have been die cut, so they don't tear out of the page. They don't tear out. Children can try real hard. These flaps are staying in. The first page shows the 3 A characters that we teach in the Meet the Letters video. First, the uppercase A. When children see this A, they know that it's this character. This character's name is A. They know that that's what's under the flap, so they know that that's the letter A. We also teach the circle and the stick A that they teach in kindergarten classrooms and preschool classrooms. So this A turns into this character, and this character's name is A. But when children open books to read for the rest of their lives, this is the A that they will see. So we also teach them this A because we don't want to leave them with an incomplete set of tools to be able to read. So we teach them this A as well, and this character's name is A. So when children watch Meet the Letters, they learn all 3 A's. That way they won't open up a book and be confused about the letters that they see. I'll show you a few more. Here's B, and underneath it there's the capital B, the uppercase B, and the lowercase b. This is one of my favorite characters from the Meet the Letters video. And I also want to show you the G. Children need to learn 3 G's. This is the G that they learn how to write. But when they open books, 90% of them are going to have this G. This G is very confusing for children. We teach it rather than ignoring it. This they learn is G, this is G, and this is G. Then they have a complete set of tools when they're ready to learn how to read. There's G. You can see it's wearing glasses or goggles. This G is wearing goggles. And this G has little goggles on. There's H. I bet you can guess what H is going to be. Yep, H is shaped like a house. But this character's name is H. And when the child watches the video, that's what they learn. The character's name is H. This character's name is H as well. We know that when children watch cartoons, they very quickly learn the names of all the characters. And they very quickly learn the names of all of the characters in this video as well. And this character's name is I. I'll show you a few more. This character's name is J. We teach them both uppercase and lowercase. And again, these flaps do not tear. This is actually the back side of a page, and then this is the back. This is the other side of that page. So it's 2 pages put together. So they're not just glued on flaps, they're very sturdy. So I can just show you a few more. Here's O. And this is also a favorite character, Q. And lowercase q. And let's go to the end of the book. And it shows practicing letters has never been this much fun. And upper and lowercase letters from A to Z.